Alright, big breaking news coming in. Bibhav Kumar, Arvind Kejriwal's aide accused of assaulting Swati Maliwal has been arrested by the police. Priyank is joining us with more details. Priyank, where did the arrest take place?
He was spotted at, there was information that Bibhav Kumar could have reached to the residence of Delhi Chief Minister, and since he is the closest aide of Arvind Kejriwal, he apparently, what it appears, that he came along with Raghav Chadha, and Bibhav Kumar, then the additional DCP of North, who is heading this particular inquiry, reached to the residence of Delhi Chief Minister. Everything was done, and what the Commissioner of Police of Delhi has confirmed it 2 times at work, that Bibhav Kumar has been picked from the residence of Delhi Chief Minister, which clearly implies that Bibhav Kumar will be arrested. The formalities will be done in a very anytime soon, because Swati, the sections are non-bailable. The sections is of 354B, where the maximum imprisonment is of 7 years. The section is of assault. The section is of criminal intimidation and outraging modesty of a woman. So, knowing the fact that Swati Maliwal had once again reiterated the statement before the Metropolitan Magistrate Court under CRPC 1 Section 64. Bibhav Kumar has been arrested. That's a big breaking input. So all those information, the propaganda machinery which was working to save Bibhav Kumar will have to make it legally, and they will have to contest this particular arrest before the court of law. The media management which is being done by the Aam Aadmi Party is not going to work in favor of them. That is for sure. And the allegation of Swati Maliwal was such stringent. The evidence which was gathered by the Delhi police in the last 2.5 days was sufficient enough to go ahead with the arrest of Bibhav Kumar. That's why he has been picked up from the residence of Delhi Chief Minister.
All right, Bibhav Kumar has been picked up from the residence of the Chief Minister of the National Capital, Arvind Kejriwal. Tetri is joining us live from outside his residence. Tetri, earlier the visuals that you were showing us of the Delhi police officials leaving in a hasty manner, perhaps Bibhav Kumar was with them in the car. Perhaps, I'm saying. What are you picking up?
Well, yes, and in fact, Chief Minister Bibhav Kumar, the Delhi police got a tip-off that Bibhav Kumar is inside Chief Minister's residence. Team of Delhi police came inside Chief Minister's residence, and the team of Delhi police was there for good 15 to 20 minutes, and post that the team left picking up Bibhav Kumar from Chief Minister's residence. Important over here is that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal was himself present inside the residence when this entire arrest took place inside the Chief Minister's residence. And in fact, we are en route to the Civil Lines Police Station, probably where Bibhav Kumar is being taken. He is arrested. This is the big breaking news that we are getting as of now in Sheesh Mahal assault gate case. Swati Maliwal first on 13th May went to the Civil Lines Police Station. Then she came out and complained. Then FIR was filed. Statements were taken for the MLC, and post that now Delhi police team had also given notice to Bibhav Kumar, and now he has been arrested. Important over here is that Bibhav Kumar today in the morning,
when you were reporting from outside the Chief Minister's residence, that's when in fact we saw that entire movement on your frame. Was he picked up from the CM's residence?
Yes, certainly he was picked up from the CM's residence, but Delhi police did not bring him in front of the camera. What we are being told is that he was taken from the back gate, and we have reached to the Civil Lines Police Station where Bibhav probably has been brought along with the Delhi police team. And in fact, Bibhav was present inside, but Delhi police very hastily picked up Bibhav Kumar, and all the senior police officials along with the entire Delhi police team left from the residence from the other gate, that is gate number 2, and we were showing showing our viewers the gate number 2 as well. That is said to be the another gate, the back gate of Chief Minister's residence, from where the Delhi police team had left minutes back from now. Times now was following the team, and now we have reached this Civil Lines Police Station where probably Bibhav Kumar has been brought. Now further investigation will be unfolding, because certainly it is a non-bailable offence. But important over here is that Bibhav Kumar himself had mailed to Delhi police that he is ready to investigate in this. He is ready to cooperate in the investigation.
That's right. Bibhav Kumar sent a mail to the officials. The Delhi CP has confirmed to Times now about the arrest. Priyank is with us on the broadcast. Priyank, Times Now, the first channel to break this development of Vibhav's arrest. Also, Priyank, help us decode this. Is there a possibility that this could have been, strategized by the party? Was the police informed from sources or the AAP leaders themselves about the presence of Vibhav Kumar?
See, Swati, we have to realize that the security of the CM's residence is in the hand of Delhi police itself. It's a security unit of Delhi police. It's not like that they have picked up someone from the residence of Punjab Chief Minister, where the Punjab police is, on the ground. The Delhi police security wing is in charge of the security of the CM's residence. So Vibhav was also aware that if at all he comes to the CM's residence, it is quite possible that the DCP's office is barely thrown through away distance from the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister. So he will be arrested. So while on one side, Atishi was holding a press conference, she was trying to talk about what had happened. They were also, in a way, buying out time. This is source-based information. Let me clarify it for viewers that Vibhav has been picked up from the CM's residence. The Delhi police is yet to confirm it, but this is what my sources, have been telling me. On the other side, when we spoke to the senior officials and asked that whether Vibhav Kumar has been picked up or not, they have confirmed that he has been picked up. And looking at the sections of the IPC which has already been there and the Delhi police taking him, it's quite clear that he'll be arrested, because you have to see that the formality of arrest is takes time. There will be paperwork which will be done by the Delhi police, and then he will be shown arrest. But as of now, what we can confirm that Vibhav Kumar is being arrested by the Delhi police. He has been picked up by the Delhi police, and this is in relation to crime against Swati Maliwal, which happened at the residence of Delhi Chief Minister, where the recreation of crime scene has already happened. The Delhi police have already taken the medical legal certificate from a panel of doctors at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. The Delhi police have already taken 164 statement of Swati Maliwal, which is an admissible statement before the court of law. So if a woman comes, she gives a complaint statement before the court of law. That is sufficient evidence for any probe agency to go ahead with arrest of
Tetri has reached Civil Lines Police Station where Vibhav has been taken. Yes, Tetri, over to you.
Yes, in fact, we are reporting from Civil Lines Police Station, and in fact, Vibhav Kumar has been brought over here. He was at Chief Minister's residence, and what we are learning, the timeline is that at 12:10, Vibhav Kumar was picked up by the Delhi police, and now he is here at Civil Lines Police Station. Investigation has begun. Delhi police has picked up Vibhav Kumar, the accused in this case. If he will come forward and show that what is going on over here at the police station. In fact, remember that Raghav Chadha was also present when Delhi police was inside. Sanjay Jha, the Aam Aadmi Party leader, he was also present. Sanjeev Jha, he was also present inside. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, he was also present at this at the time when Delhi police picked up Vibhav Kumar. So on and all, big developments taking place within the residence of Chief Minister. Important over here is that yesterday also a team of Delhi police had reached Arvind Kejriwal's residence to gather the evidence, to speak to the people who were present at that time when this entire incident took place, when the assault get inside Sheesh Mahal happened, and then the CCTV cameras were recorded. We saw that both the footages where in one footage Swati Maliwal can be seen. We can also cut across straight to the visuals and show the movement at Civil Lines Police Station. And let us talk about the two videos that have been put out by the sources, where in one video Swati Maliwal could be seen arguing with the security guards. Security guards were in fact arguing with her. They both were in arguments. Second video was there in which Swati Maliwal was walking out of the Chief Minister's residence. And let me tell you that when Swati Maliwal had come over here, this was the same police station where Swati Maliwal had come to give her complaint. Number one, when she came on 13th May, it was the same police station. In her FIR also she has written that this is the same police station. And let me tell you that Civil Lines Police Station is just few minutes away from Chief Minister's residence. It barely takes you 120 seconds to reach from Chief Minister's residence to the Civil Lines Police Station. Now, the big question over here is that how Aam Aadmi Party is going to respond to this entire matter in this entire arrest. Because few minutes back, Atishi held a press conference in which she has said that it is a conspiracy. Vibhav Kumar did not assault her. It was Swati Maliwal who threatened, who in fact misbehaved with the security guards. We'll again cut across to the visuals because this is the same police station where Swati Maliwal had come. And let me go back to again what Aam Aadmi Party is saying. And it will be important to note
that is just a stone's throw away from the Chief Minister's residence. That's where Vibhav Kumar has been taken after being picked up from the Chief Minister's residence.